Happy birthday, Marjorie!
Happy birthday, Marjorie. God bless you.
Happy 18th birthday, Marjorie. Enjoy your birthday, baby. And be a good lady. Okay? Love your mom and your papa. Bye-bye.
Birthday, Marjorie. Happy birthday, Marjorie. Happy birthday, Marjorie.
Happy birthday, Marjorie! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
God bless.
Hi Marjorie! Happy 18th birthday! Enjoy your life!
Bubbly. 18th birthday, Marjorie. God bless you.
Chuk!
My beautiful pamangkin Marjorie. Oh my God, Marjorie. Happy birthday to you, my dear. Habibti, you're 18 now. You're growing so fast, my dear. Enjoy your day and God bless you always. And be happy in your birthday. I love you and I miss you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Marjorie!
We love you!
Hello, Nak! Ayun, happy 18th birthday kay Marjorie! Wow, ang tangkad mo at syempre ang ganda mo na bata, no? Kaya 18th birthday ka na. Pwede mo nang gawin ang lahat ng bagay na gusto mong gawin. Pero syempre, tapusin mo yung pag-aaral mo para yung pagsisikap ng mama mo na si Mabel ay masuklian. Kasi para din yan sa kinabukasan mo, no? Kaya mag-ingat ng mabuti at syempre tapusin ang pag-aaral. Priority mo yung pag-aaral. Kaya happy birthday! Ako ito si Auntie Juliet mo, na asawa ni Uncle Tikboy mo. Kaya okay? Greetings from Kuwait. Happy birthday, Inday! Enjoy your day! Ang ganda mo na bata. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, ate! I love you!
Hello Marjorie, happy 18th birthday. Hope you enjoy your day. God bless you.
Una sa tanan, muhatag ko ani nga Bible verse para kanimo. It's on Isaiah 4:10. Don't fear because I am with you. Don't be afraid for I am your God. I will strengthen you. I will surely help you. I will hold you with my righteous strong hand. Anak, naghinaot ko nga malipayon ka karon ining pagsaulog sa imong adlaw nga natawhan bisan gamay lang kini atong celebration pero tinaning kamutan yun ni sa tanan. Pasensya ka na kay every time nga nag-birthday ka wala si mama nga makipag-celebrate uban kanimo. Og nang hinaot ko nga na-understand na nimo ang atong sitwasyon karon. Dili lalim nga maglagyo kita sa atong panimuyo sa atong kinabuhi. Pero God will find a way. God will make a way. Og bisan dili showy si mama sa imo, pero I cannot express what word to say, but I'm always proud of you. You always keep me proud. Keep on doing the good things that you have started already. Happy 18th birthday. Welcome to the adulthood of this life. Itigil mo na yung mga kadramahan mo, hindi ka na bata. Matanda na tayo, tumatanda ka na. Pray lang always, always pray. God will make a way. Will find a way whatever your heart wishes. And may the Lord God grow your years with His bounty, and your carts will overflow with abundance.